Hello, Showtimers. This is the first issue of Poppa Wheelie's Garage. We're going to give you a little bit of a tour today. Come follow me. This is my 3060 Soto Airflow. This is my 1954 Ford Skyliner glass top. And in future segments of our show, we're going to be covering a lot of the cars that are in this showcase right here. We have 55 Chevy gassers, we have Willys gassers, we have a whole collection of Shelby vehicles, we have trucks and haulers from the 30s, we have Mercedes, Ferrari, typical Ferrari. The exhaust fell off. What else? We have a whole special section. Come over here, in the corner here, on classic Ford hot rods. The 32 Ford with flathead power. Another one with Chrysler Hemi power. Lots of good things to come in future segments. I'm hoping that Showtimers out there, all the fans, enjoy what we have here. I am Show's grandfather. That's it for today.